A huge drop in the markets today and a big rally by day's end. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday, July 7th, 2015. And the Spiders up 0.65%, the Diamonds up 0.5%, NASDAQ up 0.2%, small caps only up a mere fraction. So you have small caps and NASDAQ both laggy on today's bullish move. Banks also big time bearish, down 1.13%. So not giving any credence to today's bullish run. Silver off a staggering 3.74%. We were well down below 5% at one point, and gold off by 1.2%. And we have the US dollar up 0.45%, putting some pressure on the markets, but we stayed bullish. VIX, which is the fear indicator, we have fear dissipating by more than 5% today. Here we are looking at the Spiders. This is the ETF. It's called the SPY. I'm using tradingview.com. You'll notice I have a couple triangles down here. These triangles you will not see. I see because I added those. I said bullish there and we popped. I said bullish here, we popped. I just added here bullish. I added bullish. You'll see that I have a bearish here. We dropped, continued to stay down below my bearish call. However, after today's big drop, go down to a support level, we rallied back. Now, quickly, if you want to follow me, you certainly can. Go to the Spider, go to tradingview.com, go to the Spiders, and turn on your little light bulb right there. When you turn on your light bulb, these little dots will pop up everywhere. Look for these green ones down here at the lows. You'll see me. You can click on me, and then you can follow me. Feel free to follow me, and you'll be alerted to different calls that I make here on TradingView. And I don't get any money for this. I'm not affiliated with them. So anyway, with that, I want to show you the diamonds. Also added a call down there on bullish, big hammer, big lower shadows, and on big volume. So it looks very, very nice. If you'll notice, I called the high, and we have never, that was the high for the Spiders ever right there. And you'll see that I'm the only one, or not on the Spiders, but on the Qs, I am the only one who called that high. What's interesting, what I like about TradingView is in my videos, I make these calls, and there's no record of it unless you go back in time and you watch the videos, you'll see them for yourself. Like I am known on record in YouTube videos, you could go see them for yourself. In 2007, before the 2008 crash, I was calling big time warnings to everybody to be prepared for a huge drop, and sure enough, we got that before the major financial crash of 2008. So I'm on record doing that. What's cool about this is people can actually see, and I can't change this. Once I add a call there, it's there permanently. There's no way of changing that. So pretty cool stuff. Love it. Holds us all very much accountable, and proof is in the pudding. Of course, here's the banks. What's interesting, you had a big rising wedge, boom, big breakdown of the rising wedge, pull back, pull back, pull back. This is a 50% Fibonacci retracement from this major run, 50% pullback to a support line and a lower shadow. So I think that we have a good chance of going higher. I'll tell you, gang, I think that just technically speaking, looking at price action only, I think, and volume, which is king and queen, very, very important to me, I think the markets are poised to go higher here. However, I don't have the banks giving me any support. The banks are laggy. The banks were down 1.13% when the markets overall were bullish. So that's problematic. The other thing is problematic. Small caps were basically hardly in bullish territory. But look at this huge lower shadow, big time bullish activity running all the way back up. Almost have what's called a dragonfly type doji. And I could certainly see a rally here. I see that as being a pretty good opportunity to go higher. So with that, I will also look at some, we want to look at a couple of these stocks of interest, and I'm going to go to tech stocks, and on the tech stocks we'll look here, any big movers. GoPro is up 2.6%. Nice little pop. I no longer hold that, but this could be an opportunity to maybe grab some. Taser is up over 1%. No, you know, nice bull flag here. Breakout. Wow, nice boom. But right now, could be ready to rally again. That could certainly be a buy. And you know what? I feel benevolent. I'm going to share something with you. Let me see here. Where is it? My Grok stat picks right here. This is actually a service. I'm going to show you the swing trades here. This is something that Bill Stark puts on for us, but he looks for those that are statistically beat way down and they should only go higher. And we found this down here, and look what it has done. It gone from 37 range to now almost $40, more than 39. So it made a couple points in just a few days here. Big pop. Another one. Wow, this one. $52 up to $56. Nice pop here. So it looks for these that are at statistically lows. It used quantified. It's looking for quantified type stats to help with these picks. Another one, CMS on our list. Just today is up 3%. It's down here at $31. Now at $34. And here's one that hasn't bounced yet, CNX. So this one statistically is ready to take off. You have capitulation taking place. You can see it right there. And D, this one was down. Yep, and it's rallying. Look at this. Big pop went from $66.5, $67 to $70 or $69.5. ES, big pop, 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 pop. I actually think I own this one right now as full disclosure. And Walmart statistic low and has since taken off. So to get your hands on that, I'll show you the website here. It's called Grok Stat Picks. If you go to grokstatpicks.com, you can go here, find out who Bill Stark is. I've been friends a long time, and you can get 2 weeks free. Check it out, and it's only $30 a month. It's wow, can't beat that. Anyway, the other thing that is super cool is mentoring. If you want us to help you in trading, which you should, it is completely asinine. It is not smart to try to just use books and free information online to try to trade. That's like trying to fly a plane through just a series of books and learning from the internet. It just doesn't make sense. If you're ready to really do trading the right way and quit losing money in the markets, go to Grok Trade right now. Do not hesitate. Go to Grok Trade right now and click on this blue button. Once you do that, all I'm asking you to do is this. All I want you to do is scroll down to the bottom, watch the videos. These top ones are unedited. We did not edit them. You're going to hear beginning to end and all the talks in between, so you can really understand where the person was when they were given this information. Here are some that we did edit down at the bottom. Just watch those. If you are interested to know more about visiting us in Vegas for a 3-day program, go back up to the top of the page, fill out this form. We will be in touch with you, give you all the information on the Vegas trip. We will buy your airline ticket up to $500. Catch you later.
This may or may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, trading was a real struggle for them. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up for mentoring today before it's too late for your trading.
I'm Tim Cole.
I'm Mike Reed.
My name is Randeep Kapoor.
Shane Parker.
Hi, I'm Steve Gould.
Mary Olson.
My name is Spiro Karajanis.
Mike Muller.
My name is Caroline Alexan, and I've been day trading full-time for about 2.5 years.
What did you think of the mentorship?
I am just thrilled with it. I think it's a great program.
It kept me going, kept my brain moving.
In 20 years, I learned this much about trading. I think that this weekend gave me this much to add on it.
This is actually my second time through mentorship, so this is a refresher for me. And I'm picking up nuggets that I missed the first time around, and I feel more confident to use all this information.
It's given me a skill level that's a much, much higher level.
You learn stuff that you will not learn in any other course. I've taken a bunch of different courses. I've never seen this stuff taught before. No one else teaches it. I mean, you've given us such golden nuggets today, or this week. You know, it's well worth taking this class.
It has helped unbelievably. I mean, I can't even explain it. I'm literally at a loss for words right now.
So if there was someone out there who was thinking about joining the mentoring class, kind of on the fence, what would you tell them?
I would definitely say this is something that you need if you're struggling with consistency in your trading results.
You need to have good education, good understanding, otherwise you will get killed in the market.
You can understand why they're doing what they're doing, how to trade successfully, how to make the proper setups, what you're looking for, and how to go from being a newbie to a professional trader in a short period of time.
You're not going to be able, on your own, floundering or just reading books, to be able to sit down and pick the brain of very successful traders and be able to incorporate that into your own trading.
You learn something that you didn't know before, and learning is always good, no matter how old you are.
Mentoring is all about helping you really get your hands on and practice it.
I would tell anybody who's on the fence, it took me 20 years to learn this much. This much. And you know what? Maybe it's really this much, but I'm trying to, tell you that I know a little bit more. And I got this much, out of this weekend. So I think you got to be crazy to want to go through years of heartache to learn stuff that experts can teach you right away.
I've just realized being here how important it is to get some formal education in trading. You get so many things from so many different directions, and to have it all brought together and put in front of you, your toolkit so you can use it, is really invaluable.